Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you everything that I made from Treasure Trove, the May 2022 Jesse James Magical Mystery Bead Box. So here's the card here, and for you who don't get this box, this was everything that's in it. I'm trying to make sure, I feel like my lighting is up. I just cleaned up my bead room and I cleaned up my mat, so I have a different setup. And I watched my last video, it looked okay, but it looks like it gets a little funky. So we'll start here and hopefully I won't have to stop. Okay, so that's that. So the first thing I started off with, I made a pair of earrings. I did not use all the beads, by the way. This has been just a crazy couple weeks here in my house. So I don't know if you can hear, it's raining outside. We're starting to get our summer Florida rains daily. So these are the first pair of earrings that I made. I thought they were kind of cool. The seashell hishi beads, I used those up along with the other ones. And I just made these. So I have those. I'll put these aside. Then I made this little, I did take a couple beads from one of my other stashes, and I just made this little seashell bracelet and earring set. I just thought it was really cool. Some of the other beads were a little too big to use, so but I did do some of these. I had some melon beads. So yeah, I used these up. I think this is 21 inches long. My wrist is like 6 3/4 inches, so I used this up, and then I made the little earrings to match. So this just screams beach day to me. And in Florida we have a lot of these. So, and I just put a little lobster claw on them. So yeah, I thought that was pretty cute. Then, let me see, okay. Then I made this. I thought this was really cool. You can see the whole thing in there. I loved this. It was so cool, this bead. So yeah, I just kind of dangled the little things off of the bottom, and I added more of the boho beads, and then I just kind of put them on little head pins and made this, and I thought this was really pretty the way this turned out. So I have that. I keep looking into my camera because from my angle it looks like it's dark, but it doesn't when I look at it. So yeah, so I have this one, and I will put these all up on busts at the end so you'll be able to see them. Then I have that one, and this one was just really cool. I just went all out. I just took this baby and ran with it. I mean, how gorgeous was this piece? So I took the two seashell focal boho beads, and then I did the enamel chain, and I sectioned it off. So it kind of, I did a little, beads here, and then went back to the chain, then some more beads, went back to the chain, and then just did this. So I really liked this. I thought this was really fun. This was just amazing. It's just like such a cool focal point. That's the thing about Jesse James beads, is you do get some funky focal point beads and pendants. And then this is my last one. I'm gonna leave it on the bust just to lay it down to show you. So this one, I went all out. Let me close this up here in the back. So it's kind of like, so, and I did use a couple of my beads in between some of these. So yeah, so this is this. So I'll take it off the bust now so you can totally see it. And here it is. I think this is really pretty. Very boho looking. I loved these beads they gave us. I thought they were really pretty. So I have made some really cool jewelry out of this month's box. So here's all this. Now this is what I have left. I didn't end up using any of these yet, but I do have them in a little baggie, so I will use them in the future sometime. I will need something. Then the little cage beads. I love those, but I wasn't being inspired by those right now, so I put them in a baggie because I know they will end up in something for sure because they're gorgeous. And these are my leftover beads. I didn't use the little turtle cage beads yet either. Those were so cool, or the starfish. So I've really been into seed beads lately. I'm putting a video up on what's new on my bead mat. I'm starting a series, so I'm trying to like once a week post things that I'm working on and stuff. So I've really been into seed beads, and I made some seed bead soup mixes, and they're really fun. So if you want to check out that video, it's on my channel. So this is this, and I didn't use this yet either. This is absolutely gorgeous, and this is what I have left of the enamel chain. So that's all that I have, but not too much, but I still have enough for a couple more fun pieces of jewelry. So the links are below. The link to Jesse James' website is below if you are interested in ordering this box. So I hope you enjoyed what I made here. So thank you for tuning into my channel, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe. And let me know down in the comments how you like this and what you think of the box, and if you get it or not. And you can also follow me on Etsy, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. My links are below if you're interested in following me. And stay tuned. I have a lot more videos to come. I have so much stuff I'm working on. And check out my new what's new on my bead mat video. And I know I do a lot of bead unboxings, and I work for bead companies and doing that, but I like to do my own thing too. So check that out. I will see you guys soon. Thanks. Bye.